In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate custom HTML code into your Wix website, adding a touch of personalization and extra functionality to your site. If you're looking to enhance the design or features of your website beyond what is typically offered by Wix, using custom HTML is an excellent way to do so. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, launch your web browser and navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is your main control hub where you can manage all aspects of your site. From here, select the website you want to customize. Once selected, click on the Edit Site button to open the Wix editor. Now you're in the Wix editor where all the magic happens. This is where you'll be able to make changes to your site, such as designing pages, adding elements, and today, inserting custom code. On the left side of the editor, you want to find and click on the Add button. This option allows you to add a variety of elements to your site, such as text boxes, videos, galleries, and our focus today, HTML. In the menu that appears after clicking Add, scroll down and look for the More section. Under More, you will find an option labeled Embed. Click on it, and it will expand to reveal several embed options. You'll want to select Embed a Site, which is Wix's way of allowing you to work with custom HTML code. After choosing Embed a Site, a gray box will appear on your site design. This represents the HTML box, essentially a blank canvas ready for your code. Click on this box, then press Enter Code to open up the code input field. With the code input field open, you can now paste your HTML snippet or custom code into the designated area. This could be anything you've gotten from another service, such as a form, a widget, or a specific design element that you want on your page. Ensure that you've correctly copied the entire snippet to prevent any errors. Once pasted, click Apply or Update to save the changes. You should now see a representation of what your embedded HTML will look like on your site. You can move and resize this box to fit the design of your page smoothly. Be sure to preview your site to see how the changes look live. In the top right corner, click on the Preview button. This is an important step to make sure everything displays correctly for your visitors. If the HTML isn't working as expected, double-check your code for any errors or consult the service you got the code from for troubleshooting advice. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom HTML to your Wix site, empowering you to go beyond presets and infuse your design with unique features. Make sure to click on Publish to apply all changes to your live website. Enjoy the added functionality and happy customizing.